Hi everyone, this is Sale-a-bration with Stamp-A-Crew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back to another live tutorial on this wonderful Thursday. We have had some snow this morning. It's now stopped, but I love snow. And I love driving in the snow. And we're in Arkansas, so we don't get a whole lot, but I just am happy to have at least one snow a year, and you know, that's made my winter. Anyway, today we're going to do another one of our celebration items. So Celebration and our new January through June mini catalog started this week, and I'm super excited. Now I can show you the inside of the catalogs, and so the first the project I wanted to show you, or the stamp set that I wanted to feature, is actually the first one right inside the Celebration catalog. It's called Island Vibes. Now, when you know, it's kind of a tropical, of course, a tropical stamp set, which is not fitting for a snowy Thursday, but we do have a couple other tropical sets that you could pair this with if you wanted. We have Timeless Tropical, which is in our annual catalog, and I love this set. I have used it so much, you can tell. I have used all these sentiments, all the images. Love this one. We also, and it has dies as well. I love the big pineapple die. And then we have this new one called Paradise Palms, which is in our new mini catalog. It's got, you know, some palm trees, it's got grass, it's got 4 great sentiments. I love this one. Hope you find a little paradise wherever you may be. So that's fitting with today because snow is my paradise. We have a sun or a moon, and then we have, I'm going to assume these are coconuts. That is my assumption. Plus we have some great grass that could be used for other stamps as well. And then this nice, could be either water or sand, whatever you want it to be. Clouds, I don't know, anything. So, but I took on the challenge to try to figure out what to do with this, because I just wasn't quite sure. So let me show you the first project today. And I'm also going to be using this with, oh, let's see. I paired it with a couple other items. We have this Friendly Hello bundle, but I really loved the paper in here, and I liked this Granny Apple Green kind of leaf print. So we're going to use a little bit of that. And then for our sentiment, we're going to use one of these from the Special Moments stamp set. I love when they put in just a sentiment set in Celebration, because, I mean, this has 21 stamps and lots of different sayings. So we're going to be using that as well. All right, so let's get started. We're going to start with just a half sheet of So Saffron for our card base. Let's see if I can find my bone folder here. All right, and then here's that strip of designer paper. So it has the blue on one side, but I think this is kind of tropical looking. What did I do with my adhesive? Wow. Oh, here it is. It's right in front of me. All right, so we're just going to put a little seal adhesive on here and adhere this right to the center of our card. Then we're going to take a piece of basic white, and I'm going to post the measurements and supplies on my blog later. So the link, if you're watching on YouTube, the link will be posted below. I'm so sorry. Let me just, that's my sister. I'm just going to have to call her back. Okay. So we're going to use this banana leaf image. Now, if you look at this image on, oh, let's see, on the front, you can see it's a corner image. So we're going to go with that. And I'm going to use, my gosh, just a second. Hello? Hello? Hey, I'm doing a video. Can I call you back? All right, thanks. All right. I guess she didn't get the hint when I declined her first call. Sorry about that. Okay. It was an emergency. I would have been able to tell. Okay, so we're going to ink this up with some Granny Apple Green. Now, there is like 1/8 of an inch rubber right around the edge, so you want to make sure that that is coming off of your paper. So I'm going to make sure I'm stamping off a little bit because I didn't stamp off quite enough, and then I got green ink. So let's flip this over. See, there's a little bit of white here. Let's try that one more time. Because I'm sticking my fingers in the ink, I don't know. All right, I'm gonna have to come down and out a little further. All right, not a good start to my video. Okay. Well, I see Kathleen's washing. Kathleen, I'm going to, well, we got a few of you on here. All right, hold on. This is what we're going to do. We're going to go back to this side because I seem to have had more luck. And I was supposed to do my sponging before. It doesn't really matter. We're going to trim this off. We're going to take our, let me make sure my hands are clean first, since I seem to have ink on them. We're going to use a little bit of our ink eraser here. It's a little sand eraser. I love this thing. Look, all gone. Okay, let's get our paper trimmer out. And we're going to trim that little edge off right here. See, we can fix almost anything. Right? That's why I tell you guys, we can fix almost anything. Look, it's perfect. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is take our blender pen, and I'm just going to blend a little bit where the leaves are. So this is what you would call, even though it doesn't say it, it's very much a distinctive stamp image because it's realistic. But I do like to use my blender pen just a little bit on here. And it makes the color a little brighter, and then it kind of fills in where it might be a little thinner looking, the ink. Yay! Okay, we're getting there. We're gonna get it together today. All right, my sister threw me off with her phone call. Wasn't prepared. Okay, so now I've just die cut a circle out of a piece of scrap white cardstock. This is not good cardstock. It's my yucky throwaway cardstock. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to, oh, I threw away the circle that I die cut out of. Now why would I do that? All right, that's okay. Oh, here it is. I got it. Okay, so here's my circle. We're going to need that. So first we're going to sponge a little bit of a sun with our blending pens, or blending brushes. And I'm using So Saffron ink. So I'm going to get a little ink. Just going to dab it off just a little. And then I'm just going to go in a circle. I'm not even going to do the center really. I'm just going to do the outside. Ooh, cool. I'm going to just fill that in a hair. But first, we're going to cover that up, and we're going to blend a little sky using Balmy Blue. All right. I'm just going to hold that in place and just do a little sky blending around. More blue on there, maybe a little bit there. All right, ooh, cool. Okay, got a little space right here between our branches. Okay. All right, let's take our blender. We'll go down. Normally I do my sun and my blending ahead of time. And if you've ever seen banana leaves in person, they can be kind of thin. So if the light shines through, you can see a little bit of the light, which I think is super cool. All right, so we already have this great background. And that was super quick and easy, aside from my horrible stamping attempt today. It's a good thing, you know, last night I ran out of basic white cardstock. Can you believe it? I had 3 packs like a few days ago, and I've been prepping for classes, and I used it all. So I do have more coming today. So I'm just waiting for UPS to show up before I can do anything else. Okay, so we're going to just adhere this to a thin layer of basic black. And let's see, I'm going to pop this up on our card front. Let's get some dimensionals here. I have a new pack of mini dimensionals that I opened up yesterday. Getting these started, this is always a trick to get it started when it's a new sheet like that. All right, let's get all these pieces pulled off. All right, there we go. All right, now we're going to use a sentiment. And I thought I would use this one. Thanks for brightening up my day. Since we have a sunshine and it's winter, so just to save a little time, I went ahead and stamped it on a 1-inch strip of basic black. And I stamped it over to the right and heat embossed it with, I stamped with Versamark and heat embossed with the white embossing powder. Cut that off. And then I'm just going to flag this. All right. And then I'm going to use, got to put a little embellishment. I'm going to use some of this pretty gold trim. This is the metallic trim from the annual catalog. I love this stuff. I love the gold and the silver both. Okay, so I'm just going to tie kind of a loopy bow, maybe make our loops a little bit bigger. And we're going to use a glue dot and stick this on the back of our sentiment. Let's see, glue dot's right there. This way, I just want a little bit of our trim to kind of show behind. All right, let's pop this up as well. All right, removing the backing's a little tricky some days for me. All of my things are peeling. Okay, we'll get it. And then my bows come off my glue dot. It'll all be okay, I promise. I promise. It will all be okay. All right, let's do one more. I didn't put any up near the top for some reason. All right. I'm actually going to bring this over just a bit. So it's kind of going past the edge. There we go. All right, last step, I'm going to use some of our metallic pearls. I have some gold. Let's see. Let's put a few of these on here. I just think I like the gold with the yellow. Okay. Put one up there. And there we go. Isn't that cute? Who would have thought? Who would have thought we could have made such a cute card so quick? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Check back in Saturday. I'm going to use the pineapple stamp on Saturday, and then I have one final card plan for our Monday video. And Thanks so much. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. When you make a purchase in my online store this month, if $50 or more, you can earn this set for free. Yep, that's right, free with a $50 order, and I will send you a special gift in the mail as well. Make sure to use the host code that's posted below. If you want me to place the order for you, just message or text me or call me if you know my phone number, and I will take care of that for you. All right, thanks everybody, and I will see you Saturday. Bye-bye.